Good evening, Andy Lade, back with today's Wordle. It's the 3rd of May. We start off with stair, which is I normally do. And we've got the R in the right place. Probably won't end in an A. So if I'm going to start with an A, or the A is going to be in the second letter. Let's try marry. Right, okay. But that's not an R. I can't really think of many letters that go in between an A and R. Other than R. Fairy. Right, okay. Hairy. Hairy it is. Quite apt actually, so I haven't had a shave for about 4 or 5 days. There we go. That's today's Wordle. Please, that way, please subscribe, and I'll see you later. Cheers, bye.